I've been in my studio just trying to restock and make some more pieces. This video is about 4 times regular speed, and I make a coaster and a spoonrest, both using small amounts of clay, one using about 7/10 of a pound and one using about 1 pound. You may need to slow down the video via YouTube settings or speed up the video. It's entirely up to you. I do the best with the app that I have. I don't have any sort of unique or specialized software, and thus it is what it is. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comments, and I will be happy to either attempt them via another video or fulfill any requests or commissions for any of my upcoming festivals. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I do plan to get a lot more videos out this year, and hopefully I'll improve as I go along.